for everybody's convenience, we've added some new features to the website. Let me take you through them so you can see exactly how it works. I'm going to go navigate to cleaners and stain removers, and we're just going to go to one of the most popular products that we manufacture, and that's OxyPrep. The first thing that you're going to see is almost every page now has a video associated with that, whether it be a step-by-step video, a video from the field, which is what this is right here with another remediation company. But as you scroll down, you're going to find an area called support documents. Now, we've got file sharing going on, of course, but I want to show you that right here, you can scroll down and get all the technical documents, the label, technical data sheet, SDS, and product safety guide that you need, as well as sales support materials like the OxyPrep Fundamentals Guide and the sell sheet. So if you want to train your team on exactly what the product does or how to differentiate yourself when you're educating a customer on a product, fundamentals guides are great for that. The sell sheet is just the sell sheet itself. And then if you ever need anything done with co-branding, such as our brochures, things like that, then here is a link so that you can email us and we can put that together for you. So that's brand new to the website. If you have any questions about that, let us know. And of course, when you click on any of these, it's just going to open up a new file so that you don't lose where you were on the existing page. Hope that's helpful for everybody. We'll talk to you soon.